Hi and welcome. I'm going to be running through the chords for the Skye song, and these are, I believe, the original chords. And I say that because the Skye song was originally published in a compilation of songs called Songs of the North, which came out around 1882, about 140 years ago. And so far as I know, that's the first time the Skye song was presented to the public. The publication includes the lyrics, the tune, and a piano accompaniment, an original piano accompaniment arranged by Malcolm Lawson. And the chords I'll be running through are taken from that piano accompaniment. The chord names are not written out, but one can glean the chords by looking at the piano part. So, general words about the song structure. It's a ABA kind of arrangement with starting on the chorus and verses, 4 verses, but it starts on the chorus and there's a chorus after each verse, so there are 5 iterations of the chorus altogether. The song's in 6/8 time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's in G major originally. All right. The chorus starts on a G major, and then a D7 over G, then G, C over G, and it repeats that. G, D7 over G, G, C over G. Now this may be obvious to you already, but the G, 3rd fret on the low E, is a drone throughout the chorus. It's in the root of all of the chords. The D7 and the C. Now the D7 I'm playing is kind of an unconventional D7, at least in my experience. I had to kind of figure out how to play it so that I could get a decent drone bass G. But basically it's 5th finger on the A, 7th or 5th fret on the A, 7th fret on D, and 5th fret on G, with the root on the 3rd fret of E. Okay, so that's the chorus. You play through the G, D7 over G, G, C over G, G, twice, and that's the chorus. Moving on to the verse, we start on an E minor, playing this up on the 7th fret here, then A minor, E minor, B augmented, and E minor, then G, A minor, E minor, B augmented, E minor. That's the verse. The B augmented is starting on the low E. It's 7, 10, 9, 8. 7, 10, 9, 8. All right, one more run through of the verse. Now you may be used to hearing a D after this last E minor before returning to the G of the chorus. And that's been that's commonly inserted in recorded versions, and it sounds good, I'll admit. And if you want to play it that way, please do. But it's not in the original arrangement. Okay, I think that's everything. I'll give you a couple of little tidbits about the tune that I found interesting. You're probably used to hearing. I'm sorry. But in fact, in the original, it's that instead of, and that's how it is in the first line of the chorus. In the second line, it does actually do born to be king. Yeah, but in the first verse, first part of the chorus, it's okay. And then in the another interesting note in the verse, the timing you're probably used to is in the original version, it's actually but second time through it's like this. Okay, the last one is, but all the others are just straight eighth notes. Well, eighth notes followed by a dotted quarter. So I thought that was interesting because it's not the way we normally hear it. Okay. Well, thanks for going through this with me. I hope it was somewhat informative. And if you have any comments or any differences of opinion regarding the original chords, if you have an opportunity to go through the original piano arrangement, I'd be happy to hear about it. Thanks a lot. Keep on playing.